Thokozani, nikhuluma nomkhulu Langabi, nikhuluma nomthunzi wezwe, nikhuluma nomama uNkosazana, nikhuluma noManqobo. I'm going to answer a few questions. Someone asked ukuthi why do we fight even if the person was chosen for you? Why do I fight with my partner even if the person was chosen for me? The answer is there is some alignment that needs to be done. There is some spiritual alignment. Uthola ukuthi your partner has a gift, or when now you've got a gift but you haven't aligned, you are prone to spiritual attacks. You are prone to spiritual attacks. You are prone to ukuthi nihanjiswe ku-pain, because in pain you get a healing. Nihanjiswa ku-pain so that you do things right. Angazi noma niyangithola. Angithi niyenibone abantu bayahlukana. Uthola ukuthi omunye is denying his gift or her gift, bese bayahlukana or bese bayadivorce, right? And then after that ahambe omunye ayephehlweni mayiphehla, or ahambe omunye, even if this person is a self-initiate, asale ekhaya abe initiated. The day eqeda ephehlweni, or the day eqeda i-self-initiation yakhe, baphinde futhi abadala banibuyelanise, if at all umuntu okhethiwe. But then I've got a problem to those that tells me that this person was chosen for me, this person was chosen for me. Guys, from reading your comments, iningi lenu bantwana bomoya, cha, uzikhethele wena ngempela. You chose this person for yourself because you loved this person a lot. Uzithandele wena umgulukudu wakho. Ube umbona ukuthi umgulukudu lo, ube umbona ukuthi lo umfazi ongakwazi ukubudgeta, ongakwazi ukushare nama ideas, ongakwazi ukungikhuza mang overspender or makukhona okubi engikwenzayo. Uzikhethele wena because there is a certain habit of yours that this person is fitting, and then you decided to go for a weaker woman that is going to allow you fitting that bad habit. Remember, when it comes to love matters, kunomfazi wokuthatha wokuthathwa, kunomfazi wokuphuma ama-out naye. And many of you guys, you don't know that difference. Same to the ladies. Ngiyazi-ke nizokhuluma into eniyikhulumayo, but anyway, I don't care. Same to the ladies. Kunendoda oyibonayo ukuthi le I will say yes. Mayingcela ecela uthando lwami. He's a marriage type. Kunendoda obona kahle ukuthi lo hayi ngokuthi nje sihambe siye ku holiday ngehlisa stress, but he is not the person that I want to settle with. Guys, let's be honest. Let's be honest. I mean, I'm very authentic. I am extremely authentic. So this thing happens to men and women. Kudala yayisenzeka kubo baba ukuthi hey, I want to take this one, lo mubi akekho muhle, kodwa hey uyakwazi ukungincedisa ku budget, uyakwazi ukungisupporta entweni zami ezithize. Hey, lo omuhle, I want to appear with her everywhere. Manje nina, you don't know how to make the difference. You don't know how to differentiate between indoda yokushada nayo nendoda ye nice time. Umfazi wokushada naye nomfazi when nice time, you do not know how to differentiate that. Nivele nikhangeke nje yinjabulo yesikhashana, you fail during that little honeymoon stage here. You fail to see the future, you fail to see through the person. I know it's not easy mawusemathandweni mawungenile wangena waphelela, it's not easy. Many a times it ends in tears. Check ama habits omuntu. Is this person building me? Uyangikhuza nalo umuntu if I'm overspending on something. Lu muntu nje since ngihlangane naye empilweni yami, is my life improving or is my life going down? You need to check on those things. You don't need to be a healer. You don't need to be a spiritualist. You don't need to be a diviner for you to assess those things and see. You need to check on those things. Mawuthandene nomuntu mazithi 3 months ubone life yakho is going down, life yakho is going down. Baleka. Baleka. Baleka, because as time goes on, life yakho will go down, 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 down. I've seen it happening. Know and assess the woman okuthathwa afakwe ekhaya. Thatha umfazi ozothi mawungasasebenzi wena athi baba le mali le ngoba imali yakho yokugcina ngibeka la, I'm going to build a home first. I'm going to do I'm going to do 1, 2, 3. Enze the best priorities. Hayi umfazi ozothi kuyi last money yakho you are retrenched. Okay, I want to go for a holiday. Huh? Go for a holiday with my last money. Uvele wazi ukuthi akezile ukuzokwakha loyo muntu loyo. Uyadla, uyahamba. Umfazi ozothi mayekuvakashele athi ku hey baba ngilambile, bese wena uthi hey umuntu wami kuyabheda ngino 20 rand kuphela. Athi hayi eKentucky these days kunepapa lika 10 rand neqatheli 1, hamba ungithengele lona wena uzosala ubona ukuthi wenze njani. Akuyena umfazi loyo into leyo. That's not a woman to marry. Umfazi okushada, hey umuntu wami ngina 20 rand kuphela, hey silambile. Umfazi uzothi ngicela ukuyothenga inyawo zenkukhu, ngicela ukuyothenga amawutwana, or ngicela ukuyothenga izibindi, ngizokwenza more gravy. Lesishebo lesi sizohlala sithi 1 piece yonyawo lwenkukhu negravy ngakusasa futhi uyozube right nawe umuntu wami. That's a woman to marry. Manje obaba nivele nje nithatheke injabulo yesikhashana. Uyothi mawuthi pha ayisekho imali yakho yokugcina, akekho umuntu oye wathi wakunikeza ama ideas. Umfazi kumele athi no, you are not booking a holiday this year. Pay off your debts first. Angisho ukuthi don't enjoy yourself. You can enjoy yourself as much as you can, but no, live for tomorrow. Know that okay, sihlephule kwasala nakusasa futhi impilo iyaqhubeka. You understand? That's what I'm trying to bring across. That's the point that I'm trying to bring across. Kulaba bathi hey ukhethiwe manje wayikwenzeka kanje na kanje. Niyazikhethela guys. Niyazikhethela nasi. Because ukhangwe ilight lesikhashana, awazi ukuthi there will be a load shedding. You don't know ukuthi load shedding ngizokwenza njani. Makufika ama load shedding awuthenganga amakhandlela wabeka akakuncedisanga ukuthi love let's buy candles, love let's prepare, asithenga inkuni lapha sothi downstairs manhlala eflatini sipheke if there's no electricity. So be careful. Assess the person. Make an assessment. Ungathi hayi mkhulu, yazi loyo mbuzo loyo, mkhulu wami ngimpiwe kodwa uhambe lala namantombazana. Umuntu one gift awuhambe ulala bese uzolala naye. Never, ever, ever, ever. That is not going to happen because isithunywa ubungoma, ubupastor, ubupriest, ubuzalwane. The first thing that God doesn't like is to date your body. Your body is a temple for God. Your body is a temple of your ancestors. So, ngithole nje lots of questions ukuthi mkhulu owami yahamba yojola zolala nami. Do you know that sex is very dangerous spiritually? It is dangerous spiritually. I know lots of people won't agree with me because when you leave your wife to go and sleep with someone who is sleeping with other people, that sleeps with other people, that sleeps with other people, that sleeps with other people, there's spiritual connotations. Apart from all the diseases, sexually transmitted diseases, there's still your spiritual diseases. There's still your spiritual diseases. You don't get a surprise when your life is going down, down, down so fast. Because sex has got a powerful energy. So be careful. Awumphiwanga loyo muntu loyo, that's not your person. Move on, that's not your person at all. If you fail to move on, there's nothing wrong to keep to yourself. There's no status in succumbing to a marriage that is not good. Uzolibela uposta showing us ukuthi when happy thina esikwazi yabona these days abantu abaningi basemoyeni. How bese siyakuzwela ke mawupostile kumnandi nikuleyo holiday, we're going to feel sorry for you. Instead of being happy, we're going to feel sorry for you because we can see ukuthi there's no happiness here. You're just succumbing to the pressure. You are just succumbing to the pressure, guys. Assess. Hope those that were asking those questions, please, you've learned something. Make your own assessment. Kukhona nje omunye oze wangihlekisa wathi says, okay, sibabonile labeni siphebona. Abazange basiphathe kahle. Sesicela ke ukuzikhethela bethu. Yes, khetha but ukhethe kahle. Kunzima la ngaphandle. Kunzima ukuya emzini wabantu awuyazi ne background yabo, awazi bebephila kanjani. Awavuthe umlilo oshisa emanzini. Bese amanzi kuba yipetrol. Bese ucabanga ukuthi uyawucima lo mlilo kanti uyawubanga ukuthi uvuthe kakhulu, awavuthe amalanga, awavuthe. Hope you're going to resonate and learn something. Thank you so much for listening.